way to the car meet. We had to do a little pit stop at the 7-Eleven. Quite a lot of cars already. It did just start, so like it's 10 o'clock as we speak, and it started at 6 or 10. I'm tripping. So people should be rolling in. Supra. If you guys didn't notice, we are at the car meet. Everybody rolling in. It's got the spoiler I like. Alfa Romeo. This is that turbo Scion. Got Sean's Mustang, Taylor's Supra. Boosted C6. This would have been me. Sorry. You'd get gapped anyway.
Is that from Daytona?
What?
This guy from Daytona?
No. Got a C7 cammed out of his mind. C06. Yeah, color. Miata gang. M4. Yo, what up, bro? Blue Supra. Blue 5.0. Which one would you guys rather have, that Mustang or the Supra? Dual wheelie. C5. Look at that Mercedes.
Look at that Mercedes.
C7.
That shit's definitely built.
Top heaven right here. The whole car is shaking. Who's gonna win? Man, we got cars leaving, we got cars coming in too. Car meet got packed. Got Abdullah with the V6 Mustang with the turbo. Haven't seen him out here in a while. We got a C5 as well. Cold air intake, that's carbon fiber, nice. Turbo Scion was getting it. C7, the one that was cammed, is leaving. Cops just pulled in. There was a cop right there. a GT500? The hell? This Evo's really loud. Sounds good. Smart. I think there's actually another cop chilling over there. Looks like they're not gonna do anything, which is good. What the? That is probably the slowest police car. We got a track hawk. Came in a little late. Oh, he's on a tire. Dang. Look at that crazy wrap on that. What is that, a Genesis? Like a chameleon color. Oh, look at this thing. Sheesh. Track hawk. Looks like everybody's leaving. Like they're all going the same way I am. That thing sounds gnarly. Got some Corvettes pulled over. Not look happy. What is that? Is that a Supra? What the hell? Everybody's braking, that means somebody's doing a run up there somewhere. I want to hear this thing go again. stinger action. Woo. Supra was moving on that turn. Sick angle right here.